It's not in. Good morning, wherever you guys are from and watching this. This is part 2 of my moving vlog. I felt like this week I definitely need to do a lot of thrifting because I needed to get some furniture for my place because it's super empty. Thankfully, I was lucky enough to go to Salvation Army thrift store before the entire lockdown happened, which was crazy. And also shout out to them for partnering up with me on today's vlog. So we just got back from thrifting. The peace that passes over. The taking of what can't be stolen.
This is cute, guys. I like it.
I like it.
Oh my, Paris! Yeah. And these are the things that I picked it up from my thrift trip. Now keep in mind this is a total of everybody's stuff. So this is the first thing that I picked up, this beautiful large glass case. I'm going to utilize it for a lot of things and paint on it. And the next thing that I grabbed is this really cool large water jug. My friend Aline actually puts cold brew coffee in there and it tastes amazing, great to drink every morning. And I found these organic waste bags, so that was really great that I found it there. And then next are just some bowls and plates and cups and mugs that we needed for our place because obviously with a house full of 4 people, we need a lot of plates and cups and, you know, all that stuff for our kitchen. This was a combination of mine, Olivia, and Aline's, you know, things that we have found at Salvation Army thrift store. And then I found these cute little dishes. I thought this would be so cool to use. I love just the floral print and the color of these plates. These are just a few other things that Olivia picked up. And that's like the cool thing when you're thrifting with friends because you get to see like what they like and what they decide to take home with them. Olivia found this. It's just a really cute picture of France and it just miss it so dearly. I miss traveling. So everything from here on out is the furniture that we got. It was a score. We found so many different chairs and of course our place is going to be filled with different types of chairs, but hey, it's going to be super unique. This vintage inspired electric fireplace, this is the thing that Olivia found and I absolutely love it. I'm so glad we took it home because it looks so cute in our place. And we also found a few baskets to use, like things we could store like blankets in. And then I picked up this small basket just to put things in. I feel like baskets are a great way to utilize them for storage or just like tuck things and hide things away. We went jogging and we found future TV stand, mid-century modern, garbage picking. Look at that. Just people leaving things on the side of the road. We are going to bring this back to our place. It's gonna be probably 40 minutes. Or less than that. We'll see.
I'd say 40 minutes.
I'm thinking because we're like taking our time.
We'll be there in like 20.
This is our update. I think it's already been like 30 minutes, maybe. We found a barbecue. So now we have 2 things we're bringing. But it's worth it. Our forearms are gonna feel this tomorrow. Olivia don't like to read instructions. We just wing it.
Instructions.
Who needs them?
I honestly don't understand when you read instructions for something so simple.
Wait.
Oh wait, we're missing a piece.
Are there cushions?
Yeah, there has to be back cushions.
Oh wait, or is this?
No, there's back cushions.
What's it missing?
The cushion! That's the cushion! This isn't a couch!
So,
Cushions! What?
do you guys want to start reading the instructions now?
No!
Oh, I see. I see, okay. We have to flip it upside down. Yeah, it's underneath the cushions.
It's a body bag.
Oh.
We can hide things down here.
We could put storage. Put cash.
Watching Money Heist.
You know what? We got it 90%.
If it was me and Anna by ourselves, we would have called them and complained.
I know, we're like, what the crap?
It would have been like, did you read the instructions? You fit perfectly on it.
Yeah.
I do.
This is a couch for small people. Sorry, you guys. My feet can touch the ground.
I noticed.
It's actually designed really well for you. It's like a Japanese couch.
I know.
So this drawer was still available, so I'm taking it. Yay! Free furniture, y'all. Guess what I found on the curb? A cute little drawer. I'm so happy. Ugh. Oh God. I was having a crummy slummy morning because I feel like my hormones and my period's coming soon, so I was feeling really down. So I went to go outside. It was so nice, and I'm glad I went outside, and you know, I got ready and just kind of did things to make myself feel good. And it was worth it because a garbage pick. I guess it's someone else's trash, which is my treasure. A lot of people are moving out, so if you need to look for things for free, you can check out your local neighborhood. Chances are people are, you know, gonna be giving things out on the curb, and I picked this cute little drawer out. I love it. I'm gonna use it for my painting tools and just like put it in here, and it's so cute and small. I'm just really happy because I feel like our place is coming together. And sorry, my hand is shaky because I had to carry that coming back home, but I feel so good. You know, I was kind of worried. I don't think I mentioned this, but I am actually moved in with friends as my roommates. There's 4 of us all in total, and I guess like I was a little worried at first because obviously like moving in with friends, it could be really tricky trying to figure out like the dynamic and everything, but needless to say, we went through a lot together even to find this house, and I feel like the end result of that has been, it was very stressful, I'm not gonna lie, but at the end of it, we made it and we pulled through, and I'm just glad we're all living together. It feels right and it feels good. We've all been so like easygoing, and I like it because it's kind of like I have my own little family. Moving with friends is not for everybody, but I feel like for me it fits and it's right. Especially if it's like the right people and dynamic and whatnot. But yeah, room is coming together. More furniture coming your way. Me and Olivia are gonna go grab some more furniture from where I picked this cutie up. Okay, I came back. I ended up going back to the same place where I picked up that drawer with Olivia. We ended up driving back because I saw this can of spray paint. It was like a golden gloss spray paint, and I was debating on whether I should bring with me, but I didn't, so then we just ended up going back to see if it was there, and it wasn't, unfortunately. But I did find these 2 things. I've been a sucker for picking up jars. I got this cute large one. I feel like I could just use it for storage, put like food or something in here. And then I picked up another glass jar and some pins. You can just like pin some things out. So yeah, I just feel like you never know what you can find outside. This is like a new form of thrifting, and because we are in lockdown again here where I live, the thrift stores are closed. So I was lucky because I did go thrifting, and the day after, like, everything just closed down. And now that I can't go thrifting at this moment, garbage picking and taking people's thrown out furniture is my new way of thrifting. Just gotta work with what you have.